Welcome to our Venetian hideaway in Santa Croce, a neighborhood that blends centuries-old charm with the hum of everyday Venice. It's where gondolas, ferries, and locals on their daily errands all share the same postcard-perfect backdrop. Be sure to watch to the end of the video to see a surprise that most rentals in Venice don't have. Step inside, modern comforts wrapped in history, the kind of place where you can kick off your shoes after exploring, but still feel the heartbeat of Venice right outside your window. This is our first floor apartment, no stairs to lug your luggage up, just a warm, modern space tucked inside a historic building. Step inside and you've got everything you need to relax after a day of chasing gondolas with your camera. The living room features a pocketed kitchen that hides behind the large white accordion doors. This is the kind of living room you dream about when you think Venice. Bright, airy, and dressed to impress, professionally decorated by the designer wife of the host, so every corner feels polished, yet comfortable enough to kick back with a cappuccino. And the best part? Those windows. They frame the canal like living artwork. All day long, gondolas glide past and little boats putter by, giving you front row seats to Venice's everyday theater without even leaving the sofa. For a kitchen this small, it's amazing how much it packs in. Fresh bread for toast, Nespresso pods for your morning coffee, and yes, a toaster to make it happen. Everything you need for a short or even a long stay in Venice. Our host has thought of all the details. You've got plates, bowls, coffee cups, and wine glasses for when you're feeling fancy. The fridge is stocked with orange juice, milk, butter, jam, and water, so breakfast is covered from day one. There's even a dishwasher to save you time, plus silverware, cutlery, a mixer, and a full set of pots and pans. Just down the hall from the living room is the first bathroom, compact, but with a few unexpected luxuries. There's a bidet, a towel warmer to keep things cozy, and a generously sized shower with a rainfall shower head. After a full day of exploring Venice's winding alleys, there's nothing better than stepping into that warm cascade and letting the city's bustle just melt away. The master bedroom is pure Venetian comfort, anchored by a large queen bed that practically begs for a lazy morning. Above, exposed timber ceilings add a rustic elegance, while two spacious wardrobes keep your luggage from taking over the room. There's a desk if you need to jot down postcards or trip plans, and a lounge chair for winding down with a book. Best of all, the windows overlook the canal, giving you a front row seat to the rhythm of Venice from the moment you wake up. Down the hall from the master is a beautifully decorated second bedroom, a warm and inviting space that feels instantly comfortable. It features a plush twin bed, a lounge chair perfect for curling up with a book, and a spacious closet to keep your belongings neatly tucked away. It's the kind of room that makes every guest feel right at home. This apartment features not one but two full bathrooms, a true luxury in Venice. Just down the other hall from the living room, you'll find the second with the same thoughtful amenities as the first, a bidet, a towel warmer to keep things cozy, and a full shower. The only difference? This one has a slightly more angled setup, a little quirk that reminds you you're in an old Venetian building with plenty of personality. This apartment doesn't just have two bedrooms, it has three. Right across from the second bath, this room features a comfortable twin daybed, a large wardrobe for storage, and beautiful exposed timber ceilings that add a warm, rustic touch to the space. And now for the surprise I mentioned earlier. This apartment has something truly rare in Venice, a huge private courtyard reserved just for guests here. It's an inviting space with an outdoor table and chairs, perfect for morning coffee or evening wine. Surrounded by exposed brick walls draped in ivy, it feels like your own secret garden in the heart of the city. This secret garden has not one, but two entrances, one right from the third bedroom and another from the second hallway. Look up and you'll see neighboring apartment windows with laundry swaying from drying racks in the breeze. All around are residents who can only wish they had this much open space, but here, it's yours alone, a rare luxury in Venice and the perfect spot to soak in the city's charm. Just look at all this space. The only shared area is beyond this gate, which leads to the upstairs apartment. The outside door stays locked, with access only for you and the neighbors above, keeping your Venetian hideaway perfectly private. If all this wasn't enough, there's one more hidden gem, locked behind this steel door. It's like a little shed built right into the wall. Inside, you've got a spot for your recycling, plus a freezer for storing ice or any frozen treats you picked up from the nearby grocery. Just another thoughtful touch you won't find in most Venetian rentals. In this neighborhood of Santa Croce, the whole city is at your feet, or your oar. Whether it's the Grand Canal in minutes or a secret campo just around the corner, you're perfectly placed to wander or whisk away. But one of the things that truly made this rental special was our host, Paolo. He met us right at the train station, guided us to the apartment, and then gave us a grand tour of the neighborhood, pointing out restaurants, grocery shops, and hidden gems along the way. Warm, personable, and genuinely kind, Paolo made us feel like family. If you enjoyed this tour, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to rent this beautiful space, check the link in the description.